Have you ever wondered how thunder forms? It's a question that sparks curiosity and intrigue. Thunder, that mighty roar following a flash of lightning, is more than just a sound. It's a fascinating natural phenomenon born from rapid thermal expansion. When we speak of thunder, we're talking about the powerful shockwave created in our atmosphere, a result of the intense heat produced by lightning. This heat causes the surrounding air to expand rapidly, creating a sonic boom that we perceive as the rumble of thunder. Did you know that every year, our Earth experiences approximately 16 million thunderstorms? That's a lot of thunder, isn't it? And while it may seem like just an auditory accompaniment to a storm, thunder is a vital part of our planet's atmospheric balance. But what causes this rapid thermal expansion? Let's dive deeper into the mystery. Believe it or not, thunder is actually caused by lightning. Now, you might be wondering how that's possible. Well, let's delve into the science behind it. When a lightning bolt streaks through the sky, it superheats the surrounding air, causing it to expand rapidly. This isn't a gentle warming, mind you. The air around the lightning bolt can reach temperatures of about 30,000 Kelvin. To put that into perspective, that's 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Just imagine the immense energy involved in that. This rapid expansion of the air creates a shock wave that travels through the atmosphere. This shock wave is what we perceive as the booming sound of thunder. So, next time you're caught in a thunderstorm, remember, it's not just a simple clash of clouds, but a fascinating display of nature's immense power. So we've learned that lightning heats the air around it, causing it to expand rapidly. But how does this lead to the sound we know as thunder? The loud boom we hear during a storm is actually the result of that rapid expansion of air. Quite fascinating, isn't it? As lightning tears through the atmosphere, it superheats the air around it to an incredible 20,000 degrees Celsius, nearly 3 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This intense heat causes the surrounding air to expand rapidly, and this rapid expansion creates a shock wave. This shock wave is what we perceive as the booming sound of thunder. It races through the air at the speed of sound, reaching our ears as the familiar crack that often sends us running for cover. But what about that rumbling sound that follows the initial crack, you ask? That's the sound of the shockwave bouncing off buildings, mountains, and other objects, echoing back to us in a series of diminishing rumbles. So, the thunderous sound you hear is essentially the sound of air rapidly expanding and creating a shockwave. So, to summarize, thunder is the sound created by the rapid expansion of air around a lightning bolt. This happens when lightning heats the air to temperatures nearly 5 times hotter than the sun's surface, causing it to expand and then contract rapidly, sending out a shockwave we hear as thunder. Now let's dive into some fascinating facts. Did you know that you can estimate how far away a storm is? Just count the seconds between the flash of lightning and the sound of thunder. Each 5 seconds represents approximately 1 mile. So if you count 10 seconds, the storm is roughly 2 miles away. And here's another nugget of knowledge. The crack or rumble you hear in a thunderstorm actually depends on how far you are from the storm. Closer strikes will sound like a sharp crack, while distant ones will rumble. Next time you hear the rumble of thunder, remember, it's not just a sound, it's a testament to the power of nature.